column transposition, look at this one. Okay, encrypt, he wants to encrypt. Nothing in the world is more dangerous than the sincere ignorance and the consciousness stupidity. The key is 9. Yeah, you just want to encrypt it, okay, with the 9 column. Okay, so you have to make 9 columns, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right?
Yes.
And we want this thing, okay, encryption. You want to encrypt. This is the plain text. This is the plain text, okay, and the column are 9. The key is what? The key is 9, right? So what we do it, we will write in a row form. See, we will write in a row form, right? Okay, but encryption will be done in a column form. See, now people will not understand what does it mean, NTSES, NDO, okay?
Yeah.
Second is NTD and O along with this one, and the next will be, these are the different sets over there. You have to make the sets over there, right? So you will write the text in a row form. In the database you have seen it, okay, but you have to read in a column form to have a ciphertext over. This is also very easiest way. I hope you got it.